Today is Granny Square Day. The celebration was born in 2014 when Susan Regalia, a crocheter from United States, had a great idea. She saw that the Instagram special grid layout could be used to show off the same kind of patchwork design you see in Granny Square blankets. Susan's idea was a hit. Granny Square Day quickly became a popular event, and it's still celebrated every year on 15th of August. On Granny Square Day, crocheters worldwide post pictures of the Granny Squares on Instagram and other social media platforms. It is a great way to show off your work, get inspired by others, make friends, and also create some work which you can donate to charity. Here are some other facts that you may not know about Granny Squares. The earliest documentation of a classic Granny Square is attributed to Mrs. Phelps, whose design was featured in the Prairie Farm magazine in April 5th, 1885 issue. Stephen Dunier from California, in the United States, holds the Guinness Book of Records for the largest crochet square, measuring 1,311.21 square feet. This work of art took 2 years, 7 months, and 17 days to create. Susan Perkins from the United States holds the record for a person making the most granny squares. In 1974, she's known to have made 19,366 granny squares, and she would then assemble the squares to create blankets which were donated to charity. The record for the highest number of granny squares crocheted in a single hour belongs to Mother India's crochet queens, who crafted 161 granny squares, each square measuring 6 by 6 inches within an hour. So during the celebration, post your granny squares and use the hashtag Granny Square Day 2023 and join in the fun.